Hey guys, welcome to question FM193 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, Jack and India have both been saving for a while and are looking to invest their hard-earned cash. They decide to make a friendly competition out of it and each take a different strategy. Jack opens an account with an initial deposit of $10,000 that calculates interest at a rate of 3.9% per annum, compounding monthly. Question A says, determine the amount in Jack's account after 3 months correct to the nearest cent. So, we're looking for 3 months in out of 12 months. So we know that we're compounding monthly, so the number of payment periods that pass is going to be 3. And of course, we've got 12 payments per year and 12 compounds per year. We've got 3.9% is our yearly interest rate. PV is going to be minus $10,000 because we're investing $10,000. Our payments are going to be 0, and the future value, if we calculate it after 3 months, should be $10,097 and rounded to 82 cents. So there is part A. Then we get given a little bit more context. At the same time, India opens an account with an initial deposit of $8,500. At the end of each month, she adds an additional $500 to her account. Interest is compounded at the end of each month. Part B says, what would the interest rate on India's account have to be so that after 3 months, the amount in her account matched Jack's in part A? Write your answer correct to 1 decimal place. Now, this question is not formatted the way that VCAR would format a question. They would get you to, they'd never have a question that relied on you getting a previous answer in order to get to the next one. It's just not part of how they examine. But we've got this question in here because I think it's fun in terms of just showing you a little bit of working through the finance solver and just opening up your ideas in that space. So what we're going to do here is we know that we're going to do the same 3 months and compounding monthly. We know that she's investing $8,500, so minus $8,500. We're going to have minus $500 in payments because she's making additional payments of $500. And the future value, we want to be the same as this future value. So we're going to put in 10,097.82. The interest rate that you should solve for now, rounded to 1 decimal place, is going to be 4.3%. And there's our next answer. On to part C. It says, assuming the interest rate from part B is India's account interest rate, determine the amount in her account after the $500 has been added after 1 year. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So now we're looking at 1 year. We still got all the same conditions as before. So we know that we have 12 interest rate. We've been told to keep that. So we're going to put in 4.3. Now we are going to put in 4.3 and not the exact answer for before, because this question says assuming the interest rate from part B is her account's interest rate, and the answer we got from part B was 4.3 rounded to 4.3. We're looking for after a year, so N is going to be 12. She is still invested $8,500, that's the same, and she's still paying $500 at the end of each month. So we're now solving for the future value after 12 months. Plugging this all into a calculator should give you an answer of $14,992.46. So there's that question, guys. If you have any questions for us, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.